Falava, Olo'ongoa o Tailawai'au. I'm from the villages of Saleamoa and Alepaka in Sapumi and Sava'i, and I live and work in Grey Lynn, Auckland, with my brother and my 2 children. And I am a Te Tao practitioner, artist, researcher, mother, all the things.
I mean, I've seen you on TV, and I've seen you on film, I've seen you in books, and
wow.
I've seen you, yeah. So to meet you is it's a great honour, and especially being our only whawhinge who's doing the tātātau, you know, and that is major. That is major. So big ups.
No, none.
What's your creative process been during your Tautai Fellowship residency?
It's always a juggling act, isn't it? When you're a mum, it's like, yes, I have, this practice that I'm focused on, but I also have to fold the kangamea and do the dishes and plan all the dinners and do all the school drop-offs and all of those things. So it's a big juggling act. I mean, I'm just so honoured and grateful to be able to do this work. I've talked about it before. It's not really something that I always sort of knew I was going to be an artist, but I didn't necessarily know I was going to be a Te Tao artist, and I certainly didn't ever really see myself working with the traditional tools as well. So I'm just so grateful, and it's just such like a massive honour to be in this space. And it's not something, I don't take it lightly. So yeah.